In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add call scripts in Gohighlevel. If you want your team to stay consistent on calls, using call scripts is a simple and effective way to do that. Gohighlevel gives you a built-in place to create and store those scripts, so they're easy to access when needed. I'll walk you through the full process from where to click to how to save everything properly. First, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your account settings and tools. From that left side menu, click on Settings. This will open the area where you can manage the configuration for your account, including phone-related features. After that, stay on the left-hand side again and find Phone System. Click on that to open the phone settings section. Once you're in the phone system area, move your attention to the top menu. Here, you'll see different tabs related to voice and phone features. Click on Call Scripts. This is the section specifically designed for creating and managing the scripts your team can use during phone conversations. Now that you're on the call scripts page, click on Add Scripts. This will open the form where you can create a new script from scratch. The first thing you'll want to do is enter a script name. Choose a name that clearly identifies the purpose of the script, so it's easy to recognize later. For example, you might name it based on the type of call or the stage of the conversation. After naming the script, move to the main script content area and write your script. This is where you can enter the exact wording, talking points, or prompts you want available during calls. It helps to keep the wording clear and organized so the script is easy to follow in real time. If the script is meant for multiple team members, writing it in a straightforward and practical way will make it more useful. Once you've finished entering the script, click Save. That will store your new call script in Gohighlevel so it can be used going forward. And that's it. You've successfully added a call script in Gohighlevel. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to review your scripts regularly and update them as your offers, messaging, or sales process changes. Keeping them current helps your team stay aligned and professional on every call.